15-20 मिनट और Post is not 1 or 2 kilometers from the Sonamura bus stand. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I am leaving for Bangladesh from Agartala, Tripura, and I'll be going through land border. So guys, now I have come to Agartala bus stand, and from here I am taking a sumo for Sonamura, and I'll show you the way, and once I'll reach Sonamura I'll give you more details. And the charge of this sumo is 70 rupees. You can take a bus also. Bus is 55 rupees, but sumo is faster, so I am going by sumo. You can see my rucksack. I'm going in this. My rucksack is in very bad condition. What to say? And they are going to sit on that. And my friend, he has come to drop me off here.
Hi all, सब कैसे हो?
He's an ice cream man. He makes ice cream. Thank you.
Welcome. किस बात की thank you? Yeah, together.
So guys, sumo has left for Sonamura now. It's very difficult to vlog from here, but anyway, I'm gonna vlog. You can see. Finally, I'm on my way to Bangladesh.
Apa ya? This is the way to Neer Mahal. No. Hati-hati akan. Itu aja. Bisa boleh. Sonamura.
Neer Mahal. Straight Sonamura. So now this is Melaghar bus stand. And it's 7 AM in the morning. Today is Sunday. Guys, I think more half an hour to go from here, and then I'll reach Sonamura. take a auto for border. Now I'm so sleepy. I didn't sleep the entire night.
Here is our
driver दादा. दादा ऑनलाइन पेमेंट लेते हो आप? गूगल पे? ठीक है. और कितना टाइम लगेगा सोनामुरा?
वो पैसा देने वाला है।
अच्छा अभी तक पैसा नहीं दिया?
नहीं दिया, इसलिए कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ.
अरे ठीक है, ये आना है का बात छोड़िया, नगर के लोग नाटक कर। चलेगा। वो सामने वही चलो।
वहाँ से बॉर्डर कितना किलोमीटर है?
बॉर्डर?
हाँ श्रीमंतपुर।
यहाँ से शायद 20 किलोमीटर हो जाएगा।
नहीं सोनामुरा से कितना दूर है?
ज़्यादा नहीं।
ज़्यादा नहीं है? 1 किलोमीटर?
नहीं, 3 किलोमीटर हो जाएगा। अच्छा अच्छा नहीं है। ए बना तो बाबू को क्या दे भाई भाड़ा हमको फास्ट फूड जो है अपना भेजा दी तो
Grandpa is saying its border is 1 kilometer from Sonamura. Thank you. So driver dada got the money and now we are leaving from Melaghar. I can see Neer Mahal from here. I'll show you. I just saw. I'm going to show you also. It's far away from here. See white. See, you can see that white. That is the water palace. Yeah, they're in front. I can see. Realize that is the Neer Mahal. So guys, I have reached Sonamura bus stand now, and border is checkpost is only 1 kilometer from here, so I'm gonna walk. Okay, Dada, bye. Due to rain, the ground here, this bus stand has become so dirty and muddy. Finally 1 kilometer to go. I'll walk. This is Sonamura and this was the bus stand. Today is Sunday and it's early in the morning, so everything is closed at the moment. I'm so excited, finally I'm back to my adventures, and I know I'm gonna have crazy adventures in Bangladesh. I'm so ready for that and I'm so excited for that. So this is the bridge. I have to cross this, and from after that I have to take right, because this side straight way will be very dirty, so I should better take right. I did good thing I started early in the morning, because after 9 and 10 it gets very hot here in Tripura. So guys, I have crossed the bridge and now I have taken the right turn and I have to cross this. And I am not a water person, just hate this. I wanted to take an auto rickshaw, but they were like, there you can't go on a sharing auto rickshaw, you have to reserve. I was like, fine, I'll go by walking. You see this? Arey dada, wait. Now road is dry from there. You. I have to ask someone how many kilometers is the checkpost from here. And আমি একটু বাংলা জানি. Oh wow, this looks so nice. Green. I'll ask someone. यहाँ से चेक पोस्ट कितना दूर है?
चेक पोस्ट
हाँ
1 किलोमीटर होगा.
1 किलोमीटर ही ना. कितना मिनट लगेगा? 15-20 मिनट.
हाँ.
धन्यवाद. Bye. Oh, friend. So now I have to walk for 1 kilometer more, and it will take. हाँ हाँ गोवा से हाँ हाँ मुंबई गोवा हाँ हाँ नहीं बांग्लादेश जैसे चेक पोस्ट कितना दूर 1 किलोमीटर ना धन्यवाद हैव अ नाइस डे I don't know what I was saying, I forgot. Dada had distracted me. So guys, if you are coming from Sonamura side, you have to take a sumo or bus from Agartala, that Nagarjal bus stand, I forgot the name. Sorry. And then get down at Sonamura, and you by walking you can come cross the bridge and then take a right and then walk, and you will get to see the beautiful their vegetable fields. I'll show you now. See, their vegetable fields. So guys, Checkpost is not 1 or 2 kilometers from the Sonamura bus stand. It is 4 to 5 kilometers. And if you come by walking, you will find this goddess Kali temple here, and then you have to walk straight. Checkpost किधर है? Checkpost सीधा. हाँ धन्यवाद. सीधा जाके left. Okay, thank you. So these kids, they helped me, so I have to walk straight. It's a 5-minute walk, and then I have to go left. So this is the landmark, you can see Kali temple. I'm so tired now. Oh, I have to walk for more 5 minutes. Sonamura road is not in good condition. It's in very, very bad condition, and I had to cross that. Now I'll be reaching immigration checkpost zone. So I have to go through this. This is the way, you can see. It will become a dirt road. So muddy. So difficult to cross. Seriously. Shit. I did not think. Oh, seriously. I just hate this pathway. Oh. I'm just walking on the edge. So, where is the checkpost? Yeah, I can see there, I think. So you have to come this way. I have got so tired. Finally I'll reach now. And then I have to go through the immigration, and then I'll be in Bangladesh. See, look at the way. This is Sonamura. Birds. where is the checkpost? This way or that way? I don't know whom to ask. Checkpost! Checkpost! Okay. I have to walk straight for that. That Gulmohar tree looks so beautiful from here only. See how I'm sweating. So much I'm sweating. चेक पोस्ट कितना मिनट 15-20 मिनट और
बॉर्डर तो बांग्लादेश लोग है पूरा ये रूट गया ना
हाँ
पूरा बांग्लादेश लोग है ये और बांग्लादेश में रहा है
हाँ सोनामुरा बस स्टैंड पैदल
ना सोनामुरा नोरते गए तो
हाँ पैदल
हाँ जी यार क्या कहा हम समझ रही
हाँ
बांग्लादेश का बियस ना पूरा अपना ये इंडिया ये आबार इंडिया में घर है ना रख दिया तो आबार बना दिया है पासपोर्ट कस्टमर पूछा से पासपोर्ट को पूछा से बॉर्डर से बॉर्डर
अपन नाव की
बारिक में
है हाँ
ये बढ़िया ना
अच्छा ये घर है
ये है
हाँ ভালো
हाँ बोलो
কেমন আছে
আসি कुछ बार में लेटर चलाई
हाँ
गोरी बात वीडियो हमारे एक लड़की
हाँ हाँ
फिर कैन है ये सब करी
ये
एक कैन है
ओके
ये सब कैन
so guys this is the BSF camp you can see on top and this
अरे
Gulmohar looks so beautiful
है ना ये कस्टमर पूछा से हेगुलो भीतर कस्टमर पूछा से
कस्टम ना इमिग्रेशन
एक बॉर्डर कस्टमर এটা পুরো রোড দিয়ে দেয়া হ্যাঁ এই যে প্রচুর গাড়ি আছে এই পুরো বাংলাদেশে গাড়ি আছে না পুরো গাড়ি উঠে আবার
আবে যায় আছে
আবার যায় হ্যাঁ
so guys finally I'm in Srimantapur
সিউচুরা অবশ্য করে মনে করা সিউচুর মসজিদ যা
हाँ हाँ मॉस्क ना
মসজিদ মসজিদ গয়া হ্যাঁ আর এই দিকে আবার
हाँ सीधे
হ্যাঁ এই সিধা
हाँ हाँ
এই ছাড় দিয়েছে না
सीधे एकदम सीधे
এমন এই ওবি এই সাইড আছে না এই ছাড় দিয়ে পুরো
ओके
डायलिया पूरा गाड़ी है ना पूरा बांग्लादेश का गाड़ी है इंडिया में लगेगा और माल सामान लिया और जाएगा
अच्छा
हैं
हाँ हाँ
तुम्हारा घर का इधर ही ना
हाँ हाँ दूर बॉम्बे गोवा
ये दिखे आती है ना
हाँ हाँ আমি বাঙালি নাই
ना तुम्हारा लोग आते दिखे
फ्रेंड अगरतला
हाँ
अगरतला सोनमुरा ना श्रीमंतपुर बांग्लादेश
अच्छा ये रूट है
हाँ हाँ धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद
बाय
हाँ भाई हाँ क्या होता है वो
हाँ हाँ
बिगल आ जाओ अच्छे से बिगल है
हाँ बाय
बाय बाय हाँ
so nice so helpful so I have to walk more for 15-20 minutes and friends you will get to see the mosque and you have to walk straight so guys finally I'm done with my immigration and the process was very smooth. It took half an hour from both the sides India and it took 15-20 minutes from both the sides so I was done within half an hour and my friend and also my host Sajjad he has come to receive me from the checkpost. Say hi. So, thank you. Now I am in Cumilla. Yes, Cumilla of Bibir Bazar. So guys, welcome to Bangladesh. Thank you so much for coming. Now I'll show you Bangladesh. कितना टाइम लगा आने में? 40 मैंने तो 5 किलोमीटर्स तक मैंने वॉक कर लिया सोनामुरा बस स्टैंड से। और रोड भी इतने गंदे थे ना, इट वाज सो मडी। एंड मुझे इंडियन नेटवर्क मिल रहा था यहाँ तक। हाँ, जियो का। हाँ। So guys, after crossing the border, when I was done with my immigration and all, I was getting Indian network, Jio. It was so nice. So guys, I'm gonna end my today's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.